The noun 他人 comes up in topics like privacy and manners. You also use it at school or work when talking about people around you. 他人、プライバシーやマナーの話でよく出る言葉だよ。学校や仕事で周りの人について話すときにも使うよ。In short, 他人 means other people, especially people you don't know or who aren't family. It can also mean a third party, not directly involved. 他の人、知らない人、家族ではない人などをまとめた言い方です。時に当事者ではない第三の人という漢字もあります。The first kanji means other or another. It points away from self or one's group. You meet it in hoka and sono hoka. It marks separation or difference. The second kanji means person. It names a human being or people in general. You see it in hito and ningen. It helps talk about individuals or groups. Listen to other people's opinions. 他人の意見を聞きます。他人の意見を聞きます。This is someone else's house. ここは他人の家です。ここは他人の家です。That person is kind to others. あの人は他人に親切です。あの人は他人に親切です。Don't compare yourself to others. 他人と自分を比べないでください。他人と自分を比べないでください。The most common synonyms of the word are tasha and yosomono. Tasha is more formal or written and overlaps with tanin in neutral contexts. Yosomono can sound emotional or excluding, often used by locals for someone not from the group. The most common antonyms of the word are jibun and miuchi. Jibun is the self, while miuchi wa family or in-group. Tanin is the opposite idea, not the self and not the in-group or family.